Ako nga pala si Eric. At ito ang A Day in the Life as a working na TVL student. Nasa Sorala pala ako guys at nagtatrabaho. At pauwi pa lang ako ng isulan. Bye Milo. Anong oras na pala at baka malito ako. Late naman pala ako lagi. Nakarating na pala ako terminal guys at 6 AM na. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Bumili muna ako ng pagkain since wala pang karinderya. Ay, nisulan na. Ang magicin ko lang yan guys. Wala nang ligo-ligo yan. At nakaready na ako school. Wala pa akong assignment at dun ko na lang gagawin. Since nagtatrabaho ako gabi at di ko magawa. Nag-tricycle na kaagad ako guys. Kasi baka malate ako. 7:30 na nakarating ako sa school. At muntik na ma-close gate. Ito pala yung major namin guys. Turuan pala ako ni Sir magsolda. Hindi kasi ako marunong at nanginginig yung kamay ko. Timelapse ko na lang yan. At ito pala yung advisor namin. At ito yung subject niya. Lo, uho. Nagpipretest pala kami guys. Kaya minute ko yung audio. Third subject namin, yung pinakamagandang teacher namin. Si Ma'am Europe. Patago ako nagbi-video guys, baka magalit si Ma'am eh. Ito pala yung mga pogi kong groupmates guys. Si Shaman yan guys. Uy, pogi. Ay, pogi pala. Lunch na pala niyan at di ako nakapag-vlog. Gumagawa pala kami ng assignment niyan guys. Ito yung per dev namin. Si Sir Tayag. Gising na uy. Yung compound pala guys namin si Ma'am Corpus. At nagpipretest din halos lahat ng subject namin. Yung last is Gen Math. Hapon na pala yan guys at uwian na. Kaya naglilinis yung mga kagrupo ko. Since cleaners din sila that day. Take over vlog daw. Kunwari nagwawalis wala namang basura. Isa pa to. Isa pa. Diyos ko. Papaalam na pala ako sa groupmates ko guys. Ayun, bait na bata. Kanina naglalakad yun, bumalik. Kasi di ako nakapag-vlog. Ayun, isa pa. Pauwi na kami guys. At yun yung nangyari sa buong araw ko dun sa school. May tanong pala si ma'am guys. At ito yung sagot ko.
How does ICT helps me as a student? ICT helps me as a student by making learning easier and faster. It gives me a quick access to information, helps me communicate with teachers and classmates, makes studying more fun through videos and apps, and teaches me skills I will need in the future. ICT is not only important for students but also plays a vital role in our daily lives. For example, when I was working as a quality analyst in Davao, ICT had a major impact on our company since it was an outsourcing business. Computers and other technologies were essentials for communicating clearly with my clients overseas.